What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Planet X. We're here at the Vegas Off-Road Experience. We're gonna kick some tail today. You stick around for that. What's going on, you little turd farmers? Welcome to another episode of Planet X. We're here with Mike at the Vegas Off-Road Experience. VORE, right outside of Vegas. We got machine guns. They're all automatic, aren't they? All automatic. And we got a 50 caliber we're gonna shoot real quick. And we're gonna go off-roading. What? You know, on Planet X, we're a peaceful people. We shy away from violence and guns. So you guys have yourself a glass of milk. We'll be right back with more Planet X. From the Vegas Off-Road Experience right outside of Las Vegas, Nevada, that wraps up another epic episode of Planet X. You guys don't forget to keep the shower curtain on the inside of the tub.